For today's quick tip, I'm going to give you my number one estate sale shopping tip. And then I'm going to show you what I picked up today at an estate sale for only 90 bucks. Now I've got this app on my phone. It's called estatesales.net. It lists most of the estate sales in my area every single week. Now, when I go to an estate sale, I can tell pretty quickly whether or not it's a jackpot or a dud. So here's my tip. There are generally two types of estate sales. One where they think they're an antique dealer, and another that just wants to get rid of all of the junk. Now, if everything is priced and neatly organized, you're probably at the antique dealer. I like the ones that say, make a pile and I'll give you a price. And that's exactly what I did today. So let me show you the big pile that I got for 90 bucks. I have seen hundreds of old phones over the years, but never one quite like this. From what I can tell, this one is fully intact. It's going to be a fun restoration. I love taking these things apart, tinkering with them, and understanding how they work. This one here has some speed dial buttons, which probably was quite the innovative technology when it came out. When I restore this one, I'm sure you're going to get to see it in a future video. This is a gumball machine for large gumballs, or super balls. I picked it out of the pile they had at the estate sale. This house had over 100 gumball machines. It had drawers and garbage cans filled with thousands of parts for them. I took this machine because the glass wasn't broken, the key was attached, and the 10-cent decal was still inside. It also seemed to be fully functional. I cleaned it up inside and out, and then filled it with the super balls that I bought at the estate sale. Now, let's check it out. It still works perfectly. Here's a small propane fuel can I can use. I also picked up some of these Goodyear advertising mailers. They looked almost brand new because of the perfect condition they're in. But they're actually from 1932. Check out the tire prices. Not a truck or car tire over 12 bucks a piece. I thought these were really cool. 6 original, complete Gumball machine decal pages. I'll probably frame 1 or 2 of them, and then I'll use 1 or 2 for various projects. Here's a pint of BBs for a BB gun. Here's an interesting new old stock mirror. Here's a beveled piece of glass, probably came out of a vending machine. Oh, this is interesting, a brass historical plate. On this site in 1897, nothing happened. Check out this cool metal box from the Zeno chewing gum company. Let's take a look inside on my workbench and I'll show you all the goodies inside. I checked out Google and found out that in 1910, the Wrigley Company formally combined their business with the Zeno Company, creating the William Wrigley Jr. Company. So this can is from before the year 1910. I sorted through and organized everything I threw in the box when I bought it. I have a bunch of key blanks. This house had thousands of keys. I grabbed some of the older, more interesting looking ones. And in case you're wondering what I plan to do with all those keys, here's just one idea. I can make stained glass butterflies with a key in the center for the body. I also have many spare parts, stickers, coin slot covers, locks. This tool here, I think Google said that it was used for smoothing out metal. Not sure exactly. Oh, this decal here brings back memories. Do you remember these chiclet gum machines? You'd put a penny in and get out 2 small squares of gum. This is the decal for that machine. It's all just a bunch of random stuff, some of which I'll use, some I'll never use, but that's the fun of it. I've got a lot of spare parts I can be creative with when I'm making projects. Besides all of this stuff, I also picked up this antique Bissell sweeper. Check it out. That's gonna look pretty cool when it's restored. I also got 4 pieces of solid mahogany wood. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for, but they'll come in handy eventually. All of this stuff I picked up for only 90 bucks. And I'm going to leave you with one bonus tip. If you go to an estate sale and you leave dirty, dusty, and sneezing, it's been a really good day. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and thanks for watching today's Quick Tip.